Okay, this is test 187 of Project Speed. You may now begin the startup process. Guys, there's a bee in the testing zone. Can we get that out before...
Hey Francesco, buongiorno. I'm on my way to the Vinci Airport right now. When you get there, make sure you go down the escalator because that's where I'm gonna be. It's gonna be gate B, I think, on the lower level. Alright, that's it. See you then. Ciao, ciao.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. We will be arriving in Rome shortly, where the local time is 12:58 a.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. And once again, thank you for flying with us today.
Oh, finally done. I wish Nico was here so I could tell him in person how much I like him. Nico was my favorite teacher. I hope that I can become like a person just like Nico someday. Okay, let's just back to it.
Oh Francesca, buonasera, where are you? Are you the gate B? Oh, you're not here. Where did you take the escalator down, like I said? Oh, are you in a baggage claim or something? You missed the flight, Francesco. What do you mean you missed the flight? Madonna mia, Francesco. Bravo, bravo, bravo. This is the third time, Francesco. You missed the third flight. Santa Maria. I've been waiting for you to get here for 3 weeks. Francesco, this is impossible. How hard could it be to travel here?